Welcome to our geometry series. In this lesson, we will explore the tangent-tangent angle theorem, focusing on how to find the angle formed by two tangents that intersect outside a circle. Before we dive into the angles, let's recall what a tangent is. A tangent line is a line that touches a circle at exactly one unique point, known as the point of tangency. Unlike a secant, it never crosses into the interior of the circle. Now imagine an external point, P, located outside the circle. From this point, we can draw exactly two tangent lines that touch the circle at points A and B. This creates an angle at point P, outside the circle. These 2 points of tangency divide the circle's circumference into two distinct parts, called intercepted arcs. The larger path from A to B is called the major arc, and the shorter path is called the minor arc. The theorem states that the measure of the angle formed by these two tangents is equal to 1/2 the positive difference of the measures of the intercepted arcs. Essentially, we are looking at the gap between the big arc and the small arc. Mathematically, we can express this with a simple formula. The angle equals 1/2 times the quantity of the major arc measure minus the minor arc measure. Always subtract the smaller number from the larger number. Let's apply this to a problem. We need to find the value of angle x. We are given that the major arc measures 260 degrees and the minor arc measures 100 degrees. Using our formula, we substitute the values. X equals 1/2 of 260 minus 100. 260 minus 100 is 160. Finally, half of 160 is 80. So, the angle is 80 degrees. To wrap up, remember that when two tangents meet outside a circle, they create a major and a minor arc. The angle between the tangents is simply half the difference between these two arc measures.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.